A delegation of China's manned space program is on a 6-day visit to Hong Kong and Macau from Tuesday to Sunday. The delegation is led by Lin Xiqiang, Deputy Director of the China Manned Space Agency. Members of the delegation include astronauts who participated in the construction of the Chinese space station and experts from related fields of the manned space engineering systems.
随着工程不断发展，我们明显感到港澳地区的参与范围越来越广，程度越来越深。国家重大航天项目中的港澳元素、港澳贡献也越来越大。展望未来，我们希望能够尽快看到港澳地区的航天员进驻祖国的空间站。
我们的中国空间站是民族的、开放的，也是多元的。这里面应该有我们港澳地区的代表，有他们的参与有他们的身影，可以让我们中国在太空的这个家会更热闹，也会更幸福。